N.R.T here, guys. So we'll be using the 3/8 Capri ratchet to ratchet down this hot air filter kit for this Dueler Max 440. This Husky sockets really don't like. Get in here. Come on. That's on there. Put that on. There, put the hose clamp on. Put that on. Then it'll be on the tractor. Something like this. Something like that right there. Something like that. I can say this ratchet and the other two that came in the kit are far off the best ratchets I have ever had. And I ain't just saying that because they sent me the ratchets. I truly mean that. I've had the newest Craftsman ratchets, DeWalt ratchets, Icon ratchets, Pittsburgh ratchets, and this one kinda almost like an Icon almost, but mixed with a little snap-on. The look of an Icon, but the quality of a snap-on is the best way I can say what this ratchet series is. But I'd highly recommend it, and it's extremely affordable for the set. $100 you get the 3/8, the 1/2 inch, and the 1/4. And then they have the longer version if you're working on heavy equipment or you need that extra leverage or torque. They got that, and I can't remember what the price of those off the top of my head, but they're basically the same, just longer. And these handles are very nice. I like these handles. Been holding up great. I'm running a Husky 10mm. I think 12 point. 12 point Husky 10mm on it. I got that done. I was having a little issue with it on this side, but that could be because they didn't machine this right. This is an AirPod filter kit I bought for this motor off eBay. It was $30. This one was fine. Probably doing a review on some Capri sockets. I have their hex kit. It's been awesome too. So I'll put a link in the description to the ratchet set and to Capri's website, so you go check them out and tell them N.R.T sent you. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.